Thank you for that reception. I'm sure the crowd would like to agree with me, but if he dances like that in Dancing with the Stars, he's fucking no chance, does he? Thank you all for coming. It's great to be back in Manchester. We've had a long tour, a very tiring tour, but it's nice to come back, see my friends, see my family. Floyd, will you stop touching me dick, you puff?
Well, this was a press conference that's going to be live, and we apologise for the language at the moment. Hatton being put under a lot of pressure by Mayweather with the taunting that's gone on for the past week, but we do apologise for the language you've heard so far from this press conference.
I have not brought the weather with me, but I've missed my son, my 6-year-old son. I've missed for a week, but I probably haven't missed him quite as much as you would probably think, because I've had the fortunate to spend the full week with another fucking 6-year-old.
Well, once again, we apologise for the language, the pressure, certainly upon Ricky Hatton in this at the moment. Mayweather, it's such a difficult character to deal with, but we do apologise for the language from Ricky Hatton at the moment. We will hear from Floyd Mayweather shortly. We've seen just about everything from him today. He's had feet up on the desk, he's been dancing, he's been taunting, everything we pretty much expected from this news conference. But once again, we apologise for the language that you've heard so far. We'll be back to the press conference in a little while. Just to remind you that the fight itself, Hatton against Mayweather, will be live from the MGM Grand in Las Vegas. It's on Sky Box Office. It's December the 8th. We'll have plenty more from that press conference to come.